Hi everyone! Welcome to Mary's Life in Australia. Today I'm gonna show you how I prepare or cook beef mince giniling. This is a very popular dish in the Philippines, and it's really delicious when it's eaten with a newly freshly cooked steamed rice. So come on, what are we waiting for? Let's go! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here you can see I've sauteed some minced garlic and onions. Then after a few minutes, I then added the cubed carrots and potatoes. I also decided to slice a few thin slices of chili because sometimes a little bit of chili in your dish, it enhances your appetite. Napakasarap po nito. So, keep watching. Hi everyone! Here you can see I'm using some frozen mixed vegetable, all because I didn't have a tin peas. So I only have the frozen ones, so I decided to use this as well. Nothing wrong. After adding some ground pepper, I'm now adding some sliced capsicum or bell pepper. I then added a little bit of boiled water so that it gives that extra juice to cook the vegetable. Don't use a lot, it's just a little bit, just to enough to just soak the vegetable and keep it cooking without drying. If you wish to enhance the taste of your dish, I always use a little bit of fish sauce in replacement of using salt. It's much tastier. Here I also use a little bit of soy sauce, and sometimes it's up to you if you want to use a little bit of sugar So it depends to your liking. I don't do measuring. It's just I know my way of how much I have to use in every dish that I prepare at home. Hi, welcome again to Mary's Life in Australia. This is me cooking some beef mince, one of my favorite dish in the Philippines. This is really delicious when it's just newly cooked and you eat it with a freshly cooked steamed rice. Yum! My God, I can't wait to eat. So another thing I have to share with you is, pag may natitira, if there's some leftover, with this dish, you know what I used to do? I beat few eggs and then I add the mince, then I cook it as an omelette. And it's really, really nice to eat with bread. Yes, with bread. Instead of using some ham or some chicken for filling some days, why not try to do this? You'll find it's really delicious sandwich. Hi, thank you for watching Mary's Life in Australia. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you'll try this dish. Till next time, bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe.